Travel experience. Last summer, I traveled to Japan. It was my first time going there. I was excited and a bit nervous, but it turned out to be an amazing trip. I arrived in Tokyo, a bustling city. The buildings were tall and the streets were busy. I visited famous sites like Tokyo Tower. I also enjoyed the delicious sushi. Next, I went to Kyoto, a historic city. There were beautiful temples and gardens. I wore a traditional kimono and took pictures. I felt like I was in a different time. I took a train to Hiroshima and visited the Peace Memorial Park. It was a touching experience, very emotional. I learned about history and felt a deep respect. It made me think about peace and kindness. I also visited Osaka, known for its food. I tried takoyaki, a popular street snack. I went to Dotonbori, a lively entertainment district. I had a lot of fun and made new friends. I stayed in different types of accommodations. I tried a ryokan, a traditional Japanese inn. I also stayed in hostels to meet other travelers. I learned a lot from talking to people. The highlight of my trip was climbing Mount Fuji. It was challenging but very rewarding. The view from the top was breathtaking. I felt proud and accomplished. I traveled alone, but I never felt lonely. I met wonderful people along the way. I experienced new things and learned about myself. I fell in love with Japan and its culture. I returned home with many memories and souvenirs. I'm grateful for the experience and the people I met. I know that travel changes you in good ways. I can't wait for my next adventure.